Hi and welcome back again to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a cashew caramel fudge, which is a great treat for people who may not be that much into chocolate or desserts or baked goods, which is like my husband. He doesn't really like that kind of thing, but he does like this. And this contains cashews, of course, which is a very healthy nut. It's probably lower in fat than most nuts, and of course it's healthy fat. And we also have some coconut oil, and of course it does contain sugar. We've got maple syrup and coconut sugar, and they're better forms of sugar than refined sugar. And this fudge that I make, it doesn't use like very large quantities of sugar either. I try to keep the sugar level lower, so it's a little more healthy. But of course, as with any sweets, it's best to have in moderation. Just put a 1/4 cup of coconut sugar, which is a good low GI sugar, and it's a lot less refined. It has a lot more vitamins and minerals than refined sugar. Then we have a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. And try to get a good quality maple syrup, not an imitation, because that's obviously better for you. And a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. Coconut oil is, as you know, it's good for so many things. Boosts the immune system, helps lower the bad cholesterol, is also great for your skin, your hair. So that's a really nice product. Whoa. And I just put in about 1/8 of a teaspoon of some Himalayan salt. Now I'm just going to put this on the stove and bring to the boil, but you have to keep stirring continuously so it doesn't burn. And I have 1/3 of a cup of nut butter, which I always say homemade is best. But if you're going to buy it, buy the one that has no added sugar or salt and no other nasty additives. So just put that in, and we're just going to stir it into the mixture while it's on the heat. So as you can see, you should keep stirring it just to make sure it doesn't burn. So once it's all thickened and it's a bit glossy and everything is incorporated, we'll just turn off the heat now. So now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And you just you just stir that in, and then you add about 1 cup of roughly chopped cashews. And just mix that up. Now just spread it onto a lined tray. All right, so now all you do is just leave it to set. You can just leave it out on the bench, or if you want it to be quicker, just put it in the fridge. And once it's set quite firm, then you just cut it into pieces, and that's all there is. So here we have the cashew caramel fudge. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.